Imagine yourself in this 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are differential heavy-duty automatic locking rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, steel wheels, automatic headlights, split bench seat, vinyl seats, adjustable steering wheel and cruise control. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.